Very good morning, children. So after a long time, I said I will conduct a test. My main target is not test, children. I want you people to study. So conducting in online, I think it is a waste of time. But still, I want to be with you. So one day, suddenly, I'll conduct test. But you people will read continuously. Whenever I say there is a test, there might be, there may not be. But you people will not neglect. The target is given, you have to study. Okay, so that is left to you. Your hard work and everything will be the future fruit of your life. Anyway, now coming to this topic, already I have sent you the notes that we are going to discuss today. Is the mode of reproduction. This is the chapter 6, modes of reproduction. This is the chapter 6, 4 marks questions. So in this, one of the important question you are going to learn is give brief account of phases of life cycle of an angiospermic plant. Okay, in the life cycle of an angiospermic plants, two phases occur alternatively. That is what? That is the two phases, that is sporophytic phase and gametophytic phase. Okay, in the sporophytic phase, what we can say, it is a diploid and dominant phase from zygote. Reproductive organs develop on it. Okay, that is the sporophytic. So sporophytic is a diploid and that is a dominant phase from zygote, and the reproductive organs, that we can say flowers, develop on it. And coming to the gametophytic phase, it is haploid. In angiosperms, microspore mother cells present in anther undergo meiosis to form microspores. So, microspore undergo meiosis, form microspores or male gametophytes. These produce male gametes. Megaspore mother cells in nucleolus of ovule produce megaspores to produce megaspores. Okay, these develop into embryo sac, which is a female gametophyte. It consists of egg. So microspores are male gametophyte and megaspores are female gametophyte. Okay, now this male and female gametes unite to form diploid zygote, which develops into embryo in the seed. The seed germinates and produces a sporophytic plant. Okay, now so the most of the phase we can see is in gametophase, where you can see microspores and megaspores which unite and form diploid zygote, and which will be developing into the embryo into the seed. And now this seed will germinate and produces a sporophytic plant. So this is one topic, that is the phases of life cycle of an angiospermic plant. Okay, so this is the topic.